What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can enable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. Now, this is going to be straightforward, so let's have it. To enable your on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, all you have to do is go to settings. So here you can click on this start button and just type on settings. So let's go ahead and click on open. Now from here, go to accessibility. And once you are in accessibility, go ahead and scroll down. And here, click on keyboard. Now, right about in the middle of this, you will see on-screen keyboard. So here, you will just have to turn this on by clicking on this toggle switch, or you can also press Windows key, Control and O to turn on the on-screen keyboard. So first, let's go ahead and turn this toggle switch on. And as you can see, the keyboard is going to show up. Now, let's try to press Windows key, Control and O, and here we can see that it also shows up. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.